What up, guys? We're back. 2026 is now started, so let's do the most appropriate thing, which is get ready for the year correctly. So, got the starbs. It's a nice day out here in California, so which means we're gonna wash the F80 because obviously I'm not gonna go ahead and scratch it, but it's pretty disgusting. So we're gonna throw it out on the outside here, enjoy the nice weather, and get the car washed and ready for the new year. I've actually had quite a few people ask me about my setup. So I run a full water soften, DI, and it pipes through just an active 2.0 electric pressure washer, which is nice because it's nice and quiet and I can wash my car any time of the day. Of course, a million accessories with the Gorilla. I think it's the 75 foot or 100 foot auto reel. Some rip off Amazon gun holder, which is nice. And then I do the 5 towel method. I don't do the 2 bucket method myself. There's a lot of back and forth on what's the better method. I like the 1 bucket because it's less to clean up. Also, it does diminish chances of bringing something back onto your paint because you're never going back with your mitt and washing or scrubbing off in the dirt trap. Basically, you get it soiled, you throw it out, you get a new one. I try and do 1 per panel. And since I don't wash the bottom of the car, it's kind of like a box. There's 6 sides on a box, right? So if you're not doing the bottom, that would be 5. Pretty straightforward. So that's how I wash my car. I'm not going to do the wheels right now because I'm going to do a whole thing later on those, and they're excessively dirty and I can't really seem to get the dirt out of them. So I'll show you what they look like, but they're not going to get any better. Maybe just a little wash will take off some of the loose brake dust. Obviously, one of the first things you want to do is prime the gun. You don't want to have any air bubbles left over in your system, so as it tries to compress water, you're not just compressing air and free spinning the pump. So I always do it just off from the side here. Just kind of give it a couple seconds to run. Make sure there's no air bubbles, and then obviously, got to start with the pre-rinse of the car. So let's have at it. Next up is everyone's favorite part. It's the snow foam. I do this, probably controversial, I don't know. Typically, wheels first, I think everybody agrees with that. Second, I like to do all the corners, all the nitty gritty, so I'll do all the grills, the body lines, everything with a brush. Coated in foam while it sits and just relaxes the rest of the surface. Then I come back, spray it down, re-foam, then do body panel wash it, then dry, rinse it all off and then dry it. And we're gonna check on our ceramic coating. Looks like it's working pretty good. Let's get it foamed up. Back in the garage, last part of the detail, or at least getting the car prepped for 26, is to throw a set of wax on there just so it's a little protected, keep it nice also, so all this stuff kind of brushes off easy throughout the year. Going with the Milwaukee battery, because it doesn't matter. And, you know, I use this stuff, not sponsored, but it does pretty good. It actually keeps the water off. It beads really nice on top of the ceramic I already have on the car, so let's just get into it and get it done. And while we're at it, I forgot to say, I know there's imperfections on this car. It's no big deal. It's a track car. It's there for fun. There's gonna be little scratches and bangs. I've dropped a ladder. It's hit it. But I'm gonna do my best to make it look good and last as long as I can. So now we'll get back into it.
Heart beats loud.
Well, all that sweet detailing for nothing. I was super excited to take the car out to Porsche Cars and Coffee in Santa Clarita. However, it decided it wanted to get a little ridiculous with rain. I'm not opposed to driving the car in the rain. I just would like it to stay clean for longer than one day at a time. It would be pretty nice. But we'll just get ready for the next episode, and that'll be probably doing a front lip, which I got from Ridgeline Motorsport, and then some heat wrap on the intake and charge pipes just kind of help out there. And then we'll move into some heat exchangers, maybe in a future episode. Probably not the next one because it's a little bit more work. And I'm trying to always be ready for the next track day. And also when I have time that I'm not working on this house. But anyways, I'm going to cut this one short on you. I appreciate you watching. Please, if you don't mind, leave a comment, like, subscribe. All of the above makes me pretty stoked that I'm doing the right thing. I hope I am. If not, let me know. I'm happy to do a little bit better. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.